Okay, everybody, I got a 2001 Subaru Outback with a 2.5. Vehicle is just kind of showing the symptoms of a bad fuel pump. Well, got a precautionary, replace the fuel pump, aftermarket pump, and new fuel sock. And upon installation, we noticed that this little retainer has been damaged, thus not allowing the fuel pump to fill this up and build the accurate amount of pressure, specified amount of pressure. So it was actually not the fuel pump. It is your, I'm going to call this like a regulator cap type thing. But yeah, might save you a little bit. I don't know if you're having fuel pump issues on your 01 Outback. Pop that module out before you replace it and check this thing. This one's damaged clearly, so you might try to do a little weld, see if that thing can get straightened and hold. All right, the fuel pump has now been installed with the O-ring now being secured after the little tack weld. Let's go see what happens when we try to start it. Okay, key is on. Let's see. Might take a crank or two. I tried. Car's running.